Turmeric is high in antioxidants that slow down cell damage. It's widely used as a skin exfoliant and improves the texture of skin. It helps with inflammatory skin conditions such as acne, dry skin, psoriasis, and eczema. It helps reduce pigmentation and even out the skin tone. It's also said to diminish wrinkles. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this magic mask for face. Just try it and you won't regret it. This turmeric face mask is very easy to make right at home with just a few ingredients. So, we need 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 2 to 3 drops of lemon essential oil. Wash your face and hands first to remove impurities and any makeup. In a small bowl, mix all the ingredients together. Try to get a consistency that will stick to your face. Apply the mask carefully, avoiding your eyes. Leave it for around 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. Apply once or twice a week for best results. You may need to use a mild soap with water to remove the yellow stain that may occur. Be careful not to get it on your clothing as well, since it may stain. It's important to note that some people have reported allergic reactions to turmeric after skin exposure. I recommend testing turmeric powder mixed with a little water, enough to make a paste, on a small area of your skin first to see if you have a reaction. Of course, if you already know that you're allergic to turmeric, then avoid using it on your skin. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.